Oh my gosh. Milk Quest. What the heck is wrong with you? How dare you use the baby Kate and baby crying sound effect in your games? When the cat cries. Like that.
Vai lá no quarto fazendo terapia.
You should know that baby Kate and baby crying sound effect makes sense scared. You should use the baby Cure Whip crying sound effect or the baby Mo crying.
Did you listen to me? No. You didn't not listen to me and left lazy and you use the crappy baby Kate and baby crying sound effects.
And look, you were starting to become a super Y wannabe, Wolf iTunes wannabe, Corn and Peg wannabe, Princess Isabella Entrainment Link wannabe, Archer wannabe, Mark Gilbert wannabe, Cursed Barbany Face Gets Grounded wannabe, Coronavirus Will Kill You All Up, DHDTC wannabe, Mooka wannabe, Maya Angelo wannabe, Super Desin Hush wannabe, Total Drama Rama wannabe.
That's it. We are so done with you. For you punishment. I'm sending you to Hi Hi Puffy Ami Yumi Rules 2001 intro. And Minky Momo jump scare.
That's what you get for using the baby Kate and baby crying sound effects. Man, I wish that sound effect will get sent into the Bulgaria. End of call out.